Hi folks, and welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today I'm going to be making toad in the hole. I've got this new roasting pan here on top of my joy stove. I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and just let it warm. Once we've got it up, I'm just going to pop 8 pork sausages in. I'm just going to brown the skins on these. I don't want to cook them all the way through. Just going to give them a turn. Got a bit of colour on them. I'm going to remove them from the pan, let this oil get hot. And I'm going to have my Yorkshire pudding batter mix. I'll put a link up above so you can see how to make this Yorkshire pudding mix. I'm just going to pop the lid on this and let the base start cooking through before I put the sausages back in. It's had about 5 minutes. And remove the lid. And as you can see, just around the sides it's starting to form the Yorkshire pudding. The reason I've done this is so when I put the sausages back in, they don't sink to the bottom. Once all the sausages are in, we'll get the lid back on and we'll let it cook. Looking at cooking for about 35 minutes. So after 35 minutes, our toad in the hole is cooked, and I'm going to serve this with some mashed potatoes, vegetables and some thick rich onion gravy. If you like what we're doing here with Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.